Hey everybody, Ed here, the bro you need to know. I'm in this Dodge Charger. Got me some Circle K coffee. Gonna check this out and see where it goes. Have to see this car, man. This ain't no joke. I think you'd be very impressed if you seen this. It's got the 1970s style Van Diesel interior. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. And then I'll show you. Look at this. It's got the 150 mile an hour dashboard. You got the tach. You got all the gauges. You got a retro stereo with Sirius XM. Look at that. If you like what you see, this is a 340 bubble hood, bulge hood. This car right here is a optioned car. It's an H-code car. Take a look. If you like what you see, please hit like, share, and subscribe. This is a daily driver. The motor has been taken out, rebuilt, put back in. This is a matching number 340 1973 Dodge Charger with a high output, high optioned 340 H-code car. Please like and share, subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. I mean, the interior is immaculate. Look at the door panels. Look at this. The headliner. Look at everything. Seat rests. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Going to actual Tires for Less here in Erie, Pennsylvania. Check on some tires for the front of this baby because they got good tread, they're just dry rotted. Yes, it's me, everybody, the pro you need to know. I'm trying to come back with my YouTube Aldo rhythm because everybody knows that I've lost some of my Aldo rhythm. Look at this. I want you to see my door panels and everything. I mean, this is absolutely very nice. And I got them on the floor because they're protecting the new carpet with the Charger. All the gauges work. Tach, speedometer, everything. Temperature, alternator, oil, fuel. And it's got that retro radio, it just needs a knob. The knob's in the back seat, it just don't want to stay on. It got bumped. I gotta get this mirror fixed. It's a little like that. Like I said, there's no such thing as perfect. There's no such thing as perfect. Yeah, look at this. Absolutely impeccable condition inside. The only thing that needs work on the inside is that radio knob and this mirror. Other than that, the inside's right where it needs to be. Pretty much there. PA, 18th and Peach. There's a Charger. Tires for less, everybody. Right here. Come in here and see what they can do for me. Isn't that old school? Right here, tires for less, everybody. What you need to know. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. There's that Circle K coffee up there. Listen how good this runs. Yeah, the front tires are a little bit dry rotted. Therefore, I gotta do what I gotta do. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. That's all you need to know.